Launching from Cadder Wharf to the north of Glasgow, we are paddling east along the Forth and Clyde Canal. This part of the canal is on the fringe of Greater Glasgow, where the surrounding landscape begins to change into rural countryside. Historically, back in Roman times, Cadder was a fort along the Antonine Wall. While today there is little evidence of the fort itself, the canal turns a sharp 90-degree angle to the right around the site. Even though we've supped all over Scotland, this is actually the first time we've paddled in the rain. But fortunately, it doesn't last long. The stables at Kirkintilloch has a pontoon or jetty with some houseboats moored. The stables were built to accommodate the horses that pulled boats along the canal. Today it is a dog-friendly pub offering a selection of country pub classic meals and cask ales. So I've made a decision just to turn around and go back, because as far as we can see towards Kirkintilloch, which is about 1.5 miles away, it's pretty thick as far as the aquatic plant life goes, and it's quite hard paddling. Swans are common on the canal and are very territorial. It always pays to give them a wide berth. And if they look upset, maybe rethink your route. Thanks for joining us on another SUP Chick adventure. See you next time.